So here is my table saw. Going behind it, it definitely needs dust collection. All the dust accumulates down here, as you can see. And it also accumulates around the motor. I've currently just vacuumed this. So I guess our next project is, well, some sort of dust collection. Here is my table saw. I have unplugged it and I have removed the blade. And the idea today is to put in some sort of dust collection. As you can see, it is completely open, and all of the dust gathers down here and goes out the sides and out the back and the front, and obviously up in the air as well. So looking at this, and you can see how open it is, if I look inside, I see that there is a shelf right about here all the way around, and it's just below the blade. There's the blade. It's about an inch or so below the blade. So I'm thinking right now, if I make a cardboard template, put it here, rest it all the way around, and that'll trap the dust, at least in that cavity. And I can put a vacuum cleaner or my shop vac from here, connect my shop vac to about here, and in order to try and collect the dust out. And we'll see how that works. What I need to do is make a measurement. We can't build anything without having a measurement. So I'm going to use these two as a sort of a sliding rule. You can see here it's going to slide it back and forth in order to measure this gap. See if I can do this and hold the camera at the same time. So I'm going to put this on one end. I'll rest it here. Slide it to the other side. There we go. Now this is going to retain that measurement. The transfer instrument, technically speaking, according to metrology. Now that I know what this measurement is, it's just a matter of taking this out without moving it. And right here now is the length of the cardboard that I need to cut, at least in that dimension. It's a matter of making this measurement using measuring tape. And I'll do the exact same thing going the other way. And I've already done that. And the measurements happen to be 19 1/4 in one length and 15 inches on the other length. I saved this large piece of cardboard from when I bought something some time ago. So what I'm going to do now is cut a piece to the measurements that I just made and use that as my template, put it in here, and give it a try. And there we have it. I took it out from that left corner. Here is the piece. Now to install it, well, that's going to require two hands when I get it in there. So I'm going to have to do that off camera. And there it is, all nicely fitted. Now I just need to put some sort of suction, attach it to my vacuum or my shop vac, and try it out. So everything is reinstalled. I have vacuum hose coming out here. Now just see how it works.